Welcome to our channel. We're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Come on in and grab a chair and sit a spell with us. If you like readable versions of all of our content, be sure to check out both of our blogs. The links to our blogs will always be in the description box below our videos. I just want to share a quick meal with y'all tonight. Y'all, we raise beef, but I'm also a chicken eater. I prefer chicken over beef. Dear hubby prefers beef over chicken. I was raised on a farm with my grandparents. My grandmother was the chicken raising queen. And when she would tell my papa we need a chicken for lunch, honey, she didn't stutter when she said it. My papa brought her back a little bird by its feet, and she plucked, washed, cut up, fried that chicken, and it was on the table about an hour later. She was good at that. I was raised on chicken. My granddaughters, we love chicken, and this is one of their favorite meals, and I'm so glad because it's fresh vegetables from the garden, and I know they're eating wholesome and healthy. Their favorite is thighs. I've got these defrosted, and they're marinating in nothing but olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper, and that's it. Don't get wonky with their food, all these spices and stuff. Keep it simple. Corn from the garden. The chicken's going to get done in the air fryer. They love it in the air fryer. It doesn't heat up the kitchen in the heat of the summer that much. It's quick and simple. Gets it good and crusty. That skin, just good and crusty. They love the skin. The corn's been defrosting. I'm going to slice across here. And I'm going to steam the corn in the microwave inside the bag. Y'all, these vacuum seal bags is also steamable, quick and easy. Pair that with some of our homegrown green beans and canned green beans. They grew these, they planted these, they helped pick them, snap them, everything. Then we got them into jars. That is one of their favorite meals. And when all this gets paired together, I will show y'all what it looks like. And we are going to chow down tonight. Just a kid-friendly meal. And I know it's good and wholesome for them. Stick around. I'll show you what it looks like in just a little bit. There's the chicken in the air fryer. I set it on the chicken setting. I believe it's 380 degrees for 20 minutes, but I flipped it halfway through. Corn's going in the microwave inside the bag to steam 3 minutes on each side. Then the green beans are going in. Y'all, they've already been pressure canned. All I have to do is just heat them up in the microwave. Then there's the corn when it's finished. And then I want y'all to look at this chicken. Look how crispy on both sides. Look at that. And now you have just paired all these together and made a very kid-friendly meal. I hope y'all give this a try. My granddaughters love it, and they are fixing to sit and chow down. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, hit like and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.